Panasonic air conditioning systems. Because every building matters. Panasonic is a trusted global brand that applies cutting-edge technologies in the manufacture of superior quality air conditioners with outstanding features. With research and development centers in Japan, Malaysia and China, Panasonic is committed to developing innovative products that respond to changing customer demand and evolving lifestyles. Panasonic's air conditioning expertise is backed by over 50 years of experience. It all began in Japan in 1958. In 1972, Panasonic set up its first overseas base in Malaysia. Since then, business overseas has continued to expand. Using advanced technologies to realize high functionality, Panasonic has continuously developed and marketed energy-saving air conditioners. In 2011, Panasonic Electric Works and Sanyo Electric merged with Panasonic Corporation to form a single entity.